name is Lexie. Welcome back to my Feeding Hungry Minds cooking session. Today we are going to be doing fruit skewers, which could be one of your 5 a day. So today we are using pineapple, satsumas, grapes and apples. You can also use melon, strawberries or blueberries. Before we cut the apples, we are going to mix some lemon juice and water, which you put the apples in to prevent them from browning. Cut your apple into 8 and remove the core. Now put it in the water and repeat. Now to peel our satsumas. Now let's do our grapes. Remember to cut them in half if they are for children, as it is a choking hazard. Today we are using tin pineapple. I cut them into pieces. This is where the fun starts. Now you can put your fruit on the skewers. These look yummy and healthy. Here's another way to serve the fruit. Thank you for watching my Feeding Hungry Mind cooking session. Bye!